I'm sharing my tips for maintaining a clean and happy home today. Keeping a clean home may seem magical to some people, but it's really about discipline and the desire to keep it clean. I'm always looking for new ways to make it easier for me to clean my glass cooktop, and I came across this Scotch-Brite scratch-free glass cooktop pad and polish that I've been wanting to try. As per the directions, you'll need water, a clean cloth, gloves are optional, and looking at the sponge, I'm thinking, I don't know, we'll see. For really burnt on greasy messes, try this Dawn Power Wash to get your layer of grease off. This stuff really works, you guys. Before using your pad, spray with a little water, scrub, then go all in with the clean cloth, and you shall see all that yucky grime. I love this Dawn Power Wash. I'm using it to soak and clean the knobs in hot water. Don't forget to remove the gaskets on the cooktop because you will be amazed of what's underneath it. Before putting your gaskets and knobs back, take a peek inside for crumbs. Hoover was so kind to give me one of their One Power cordless dust chaser handbag. It's their most powerful hand vacuum. It weighs less than 3 pounds and it's compact, making it easy to use and store. The Hoover Dust Chaser comes with multi-purpose tools for tight spaces, for your furniture and your car, and hard to reach areas like underneath my cooktop knobs. Another place we forget to clean is our curtains, our drapes, and our blinds. I usually clean mine about twice a year, but the dust that built up on them is unreal. If you don't want to take them down, you can vacuum them with a handheld vac. If you're on my Instagram, you may have seen when I post this picture of me carrying this basket, and it's from Home Goods. I got them in 3 different sizes, and you will see where I'll be using them. But I'm using this to carry all of my curtains and beddings down the stairs instead of carrying them in my arms. I've updated our flatware drawer because the other one was getting a little bit rusted. I don't know why. But this 20-piece flatware set is from Target by the Project 62 brand. Only clean flatware goes into this drawer, yet crumbs still seem to creep in. This is definitely an area that's forgotten. So look in your drawers, you guys. You will see crumbs, I promise you. I'm using this bamboo tray to place dinner napkins inside. The napkins were on clearance. I got them last year from At Home Stores for like $4 for a pack of, I think, 16. And the napkin rings are from Target Dollar Spot. I have napkins that are ready just in case we have a guest or two over, and mini condiment cups are placed here as well. If you're on my Instagram, I shared this extension pole on one of my Saturday Shenanigans skits, and you guys loved it. This pole comes in 3 different sizes. Mine is 18 feet because my ceiling height is 20 feet. It comes threaded for dusters, paint rollers, squeegees, and washers, and you can get yours from Lowe's. I'll leave a link down below. Another place that's forgotten is behind the fridge. I always get the hubster to pull ours out every 1 or 2 months. It just happens. No matter how much you vacuum, sweep, or mop, crumbs will find a home under the fridge. Our fridge has been getting so much action, maybe due to quarantining, maybe, but it has never been this dirty, and I'm kind of embarrassed to show you, but this is life. If you have the Samsung Hub refrigerator, you may came across this issue where you want to take out the shelf between the crisper and the top shelf. You will need to squeeze this little clamp together in order to lift out the glass. It's the most oddest thing ever. You definitely need 2 people to remove it, and it's not easy in my opinion. I'm using Grease Lightning to get this stuck on gunk off, thinking I'll need a scrubber, but you see, to my surprise, I didn't need it. Just spray and leave it for a few minutes, and it does all the work itself, and it wipes off very easily. If you need a more detailed video, let me know in the comments, and I'll share how to remove this shelf properly. And don't forget those crumbs under the fridge. Yep, I'm using Dawn Power Wash on my bathroom sink area. I've been using this all around the house, my doorways, baseboards, the walls, any place where there's dirt. I love that it prevents you from overusing and wasting soap. This gets my sinks, my shower doors really, really clean, and I think it's because of the formula. It's concentrated, which explains the texture. Give it a try. It's under $4, and you can buy the refills as well. This is Organic Living Absorbent Pouches. Their mission is to protect wildlife and help their habitats by reducing chemicals and waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans and in our communities. Their pouches are a direct replacement of the products that hang in your closet and the buckets you leave out to collect the moisture. They're single use, made with loads of plastic and chemicals that will last for a month and then you trash them. It's formulated recipe of natural plant and mineral based ingredients. You can use them anywhere: your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, your attic, your basement. I'm using mine in my pantry. I hope you guys have got some great ideas. Leave me a comment down below and I will leave a link to Organic and the other products shown in this video. And I want to thank you all for watching.